Are you wondering why your gray hair can sometimes feel coarse, dry, or even turn yellow, even though you're doing all the right things? Stick around because in this video, I'm sharing the real reasons why gray hair behaves differently and revealing how you can transform your strands to be soft, shiny, and full of life. Hey Healthy Hair Masters, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamika, your online hair care educator, here to help you learn how to properly care for and grow your hair. If you've been struggling with gray hair that's hard to manage, especially if it's textured, this video is for you. Today, we'll dive into why gray hair feels different, how you can care for it effectively, and even how to tackle those pesky yellow strands. Plus, I'll share some of my favorite products from my own line, Lengthy Strands, that make managing gray hair so much easier. Let's start by looking at why gray hair isn't just about color. When your hair begins to lose melanin, that's the pigment responsible for your natural color, your strands also lose some of their natural oils and protective factors. This often makes gray hair more prone to dryness and brittleness. You might notice that your gray strands have a slightly different texture, feeling wiry or coarse compared to the rest of your hair. And on top of that, gray hair tends to become more porous, meaning it absorbs and loses moisture more rapidly. This porosity can contribute to breakage and that frustrating dryness so many of us experience. Understanding these changes is essential because once you know why your hair behaves differently, you can tailor your routine to meet its unique needs. I always tell people, don't fight your gray, work with it. Embrace the fact that it has special requirements and you'll be on your way to healthier, more vibrant hair. Now that we know why gray hair can feel so different, let's talk about practical steps for caring for it. First, a gentle cleansing routine is key. I always recommend a sulfate-free shampoo because harsh sulfates can strip away any natural oils your hair still has. My absolute go-to is my Lengthy Strands Mega Moisture Detangling Shampoo. It's specifically designed to remove buildup without drying out your strands, which is crucial for those of us with gray hair. Once you've cleansed your hair, follow up with a deep conditioner that can really penetrate and hydrate. Gray hair craves moisture, so opt for something packed with nourishing ingredients. I use my Lengthy Strands Mega Moisture Deep Penetrating Conditioner at least once a week. It's formulated to replenish and soften the hair shaft, leaving your strands more manageable and less prone to breakage. You'll notice a real difference in the look and feel of your hair, especially in its elasticity and shine. After rinsing, especially if I'm going to wear protective braids or twists, I like to layer on a creamy leave-in and apply a bit of hair oil for extra nourishment. The Lengthy Strands Multi-Use Hair Oil is perfect for this. It's lightweight enough that it won't weigh your hair down, but it still delivers the essential moisture and nutrients that gray hair so desperately needs. You can use it all over your strands and on the ends and edges where dryness is most noticeable. I also can't stress enough the importance of minimizing heat styling. Gray hair is already delicate. Constant use of heat tools can lead to split ends and a dull appearance. Whenever possible, air dry or use low heat setting on your blow dryer to protect your hair's integrity. And remember, a regular trim about every 10 to 12 weeks will help keep those ends fresh, reducing split ends and further breakage. Now, let's tackle a big frustration many of you have shared: yellowing. Sometimes our gray hair picks up yellowish tones, which can dull its brilliance. A purple shampoo is a fantastic solution as it neutralizes unwanted yellow tones and keeps your gray hair looking bright. Just remember, a little goes a long way. So start by using it once a week or every other week, depending on how pronounced the yellow is. Apart from that, watch out for product buildup. Gray hair's porosity can make it more susceptible to absorbing residues from styling products and environmental pollutants. A gentle, clarifying shampoo at every wash can help keep your hair looking fresh. Just be sure to follow up with a moisturizing shampoo and deep condition your hair afterward to replenish any lost moisture. Another culprit, sun exposure. UV rays can sometimes contribute to yellowing. Cover your hair if you're planning a day out in the sun. These small steps can make a big difference in maintaining that stunning silvery tone we all love. Here are a few more considerations worth mentioning. Curly, kinky, coily gray hair can be more fragile, but that doesn't mean it can't be healthy and gorgeous. Protective styling is one way to nurture your hair. Braids, twists, or loose updos help minimize daily manipulation, which in turn reduces breakage. Plus, these styles can be a fun way to showcase your gray while giving your hair a break from constant styling. Scalp health is another critical factor. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth at any age, and especially when hormones start shifting. Gently massaging your scalp a few times a week with an oil such as My Lengthy Strands Multi-Use Hair Oil can boost blood circulation and strengthen your follicles over time. It's also incredibly relaxing, so think of it as a self-care for both your mind and your mane. For the times that you simply must use heat, I like to apply My Lengthy Strands Silken and Shine Serum just before I blow dry to protect the hair, soften it, and add a little shine. It also helps smooth the hair and lock in moisture when heat styling. Now, don't forget that nutrition plays a role too. Make sure you're getting enough vitamins like biotin, vitamin D, and vitamin E, and minerals such as zinc and iron. Incorporate foods like leafy greens, eggs, and fatty fish into your diet for a boost of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These simple nutritional steps can enhance your hair strength from the inside out. Lastly, while aging and hormonal changes can present new challenges, they also offer an opportunity to reevaluate your hair care routine. Embrace the unique needs of your textured gray hair. Choose high-quality products that give it what it craves, and remember that consistency is your best friend. Over time, you'll begin to see the difference in how your hair feels, looks, and behaves, even in its beautiful gray state. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope I've helped you understand why gray hair behaves differently and giving you some fresh ideas for keeping it looking and feeling its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might need a little gray hair encouragement. And remember, for all your gray hair needs, from gentle cleansers to nourishing conditioners, oils, and serums, head over to lengthystrands.com. My products are designed to help you embrace and enhance your beautiful gray strands without all the fuss. Until next time, keep loving your hair and let your gray be a statement of wisdom and style. Take care. God bless. Love you. Bye.